change electrical energy into kinetic energy. The kinetic energy output from the motor is the useful energy output. Kinetic energy is not the only type of energy that is output by the motor. You can hear the energy wasted as sound energy, and, as you can see, energy is also wasted as thermal energy.
We've seen that the electric motor changes the electrical energy that goes into it into useful kinetic energy and wasted sound and thermal energy. What we want to know is how good the motor is at changing the electrical energy into the kinetic energy. And we can work that out by working out a value called efficiency. What we mean by efficiency is how good the device is at changing energy into a useful form. And to calculate that, we use the formula efficiency equals the useful energy that comes out of the device divided by the total energy that goes into the device. Let's do an example. Here's a question. A motor is supplied with 2000 joules of electrical energy. 1200 joules of useful kinetic energy are output. Calculate the efficiency of the motor. To start my answer, I always start by writing down the formula. So, efficiency is equal to the useful energy out divided by the total energy in. I now need to look at the question to find these two values. So I'll first look for this one, the top one, the useful energy out. And it tells me here that 1200 joules of useful kinetic energy come out. So that top number must be 1200. So I can put that in. 1200 divided by, I've now got to find this value, the total energy that goes in. So I go back to the question, and it says the motor is supplied with 2000 joules of electrical energy. So that must be the amount of energy that goes in. So the bottom number there is 2000. Now I can do a check here. I know that the answer, the value of efficiency, has to be less than 1. So that means that the bottom number has got to be bigger than the top number. So 2000 is bigger than 1200, so that's okay, I've done that bit right. I can now use my calculator to work out the answer, and the answer is 0.6. So 0.6 is a value that describes how good the motor is at changing electrical energy into kinetic energy. And it says that more than half of the electrical energy that went in came out as kinetic energy.